I'd like to have a quick look at some shoes for Sean. Can you watch Jason for a minute? I promise, we won't be long.
Sure, no problem. We're not going anywhere, are we, Jason?
Come on, honey.
Where are you going, Sean? Jason.
Jason! Jason! Jason!
I was gonna say that was really monotonous. I was like, please change.
Jason!
Jason.
Jason! Jason!
Jason.
Jason!
Come back here, bitch. We said we weren't gonna walk off. Come here.
Jason, you really shouldn't run her off like that, you know? There's an awful lot of people in here.
Please, Dad, can I have one? I would really love to have one. Please, Dad, come on.
Okay, let's go buy a balloon.
Great!
Hey, Jen!
That was the
What's your name?
creepiest thing in the world.
Jason,
Which balloon would you like, Jason?
the red one.
Here you go. That'll be $2, sir.
$2
Jason, wait for me.
for a
Wait for your
balloon?
dad, son. It's really crowded in here.
What does that kid not understand? Come on, dude, cough it up.
Keep the change.
Oh no.
It is impossible to try on a pair of shoes with this crowd. Where's Jason?
He was here a second ago. I thought him a balloon. I turned around and he just disappeared.
Disappeared? What do you mean disappeared?
Stay here. I'll go get him. I'll be right back. Jason!
Jason!
Jason! Jason! Jason! Jason! Jason! Jason! Jason!
There he is.
Quick, I need to go downstairs now or I'm gonna lose him in the crowd. Jason!
Where you going, mate?
Jason! Jason!
Jason!
Jason! Jason! Jason!
Where am I looking? Oh, over there.
Jason! 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 Jason!
Where's the balloon?
Jason!
Oh, it's over there.
Jason! Jason!
That is not... That's Jason.
Jason, God, you really had me scared. Jason! Jason!
How convenient, there was another boy.
Jason! Jason! Hey, man, watch it! Jason! Watch it!
They all look the same.
Jason! Hey! Jason! Jason! Shit! Jason!
No, shit, your dad's angry.
Dad!
Jason!
That car is not going quick.
Jason! Jason! Oh my god, no! No! No, Jason! Oh my god, no!
How is the kid dead? The dad was the one who got hit.
Oh my god.
And how did the woman not see? Oh, so many questions. He looks like a hobo.
Hi, Sean.
Hi, Dad.
He looks better with the beard. Damn it, it's not an English car. Seatbelts for safety. The kid's like, what the fuck are you looking at? Well, this is a slight change. Okay, let's go see what that thing. Oh, wait. No, we'll go see what that thing is first. 4:30 snack, 6 homework, 7 dinner, 8 bed. 4:30 snack, 6 homework. Well, it's 4:30 now. Dude, do you want a snack?
Time for a snack. Maybe Sean is hungry.
What have we got? No! No, we need to feed Sean. What are you doing? No! I've got to be a good parent. I'm already late. A beer and some pie and whatever else that was. What else we got? Sean.
It's time for your snack. Are you hungry?
I guess, a little.
Let's see what we can find in the kitchen.
There's nothing in the fridge. Oh, see, that's what I was looking at. Let's go give that to him. Oh, Sean.
Here, Sean. Here's your snack.
Thanks, Dad.
Right now I've got till 6. And it's 5:05. Let's have a look around this terrible. Oh, same thing. House. That is the stupidest teddy bear I've ever seen. Oh, what's that? I don't need to pee. What time is it? I'm good. Discuss. School.
How are things at school? Is your teacher nice?
Everything's fine, Dad.
That hurts my eyes.
So, you want to talk a little?
Talk about what?
I don't know, about you, your friends, how things are going.
Nothing special.
Oh dear. 7th victim identified. The police have confirmed modus operandi is indeed that of the origami killer. Yeah, we got time. I've got bills I have to pay. Subscriptions that I don't even need.
When the parents came home from church, all their children were gone. They searched and called for them, they cried and begged, but it was all to no avail. The children had never been seen again.
What? Who's gonna put that down like nothing happened? I think you got freaked out with the flipping. Oh. Illuminate the place. So like a flipping news article, but no. You know, that doesn't creep you out at all. Now, what time is it? Homework time.
Sean, do you want to do your homework now?
Please, Dad, let me watch TV a little while longer. We'll do it later, okay?
No, you can do it now.
I think you should just get right to it. Then it's done and out of the way. Now, get your bag and get set up in the kitchen. I'll help you.
What, sorry, dude? What was the last two things? The times, obviously, not the activity. 7, dinner, 8, bed. Nope. No, I'm supposed to be helping him. I'm a good dad. I'm just gonna stare at him. I'm gonna go turn off the TV. I'm sure it distracts him. I love how much care I'm putting into this. Off. Boop.
Grace has Sean this weekend. Seems like he can't wait to get back to his mother. Sean's sneezing. I think he's catching a cold.
Dad, I finished. Can we go watch TV?
Yeah, you got half an hour. You good.
Let me have a look. Pretty good. It looks like you're done. Off you go.
Just gonna go check outside. Anything? Oh! Yeah! Yeah, we're good. Was in that swell. Oh, that door's closed. Oh, sugar. Might as well go on this way. What's the time? Oh, let's get you some tea, dude. Which one's dinner? Circle.
Do you want me to get your dinner?
Oh yeah, I'm really hungry.
Okay, I'll go see what I can find. I'll call you when it's ready. You've got a cold coming on. I'm going to see if I can find some medicine for you.
I gotta do that too. go have a quick look upstairs. Then we'll cook for him. We'll be in the bathroom. I won't be too exploratory up here. Exploratory. I know what I mean. This isn't the bathroom. Which means this must be the bathroom. We're gonna want like a cabinet. Oh, there we go. Let's go give him some of that. Then we'll get him his dinner. Woo, parenting! Kind of scared to look at the time now though, because it was like 5:02 when I went up there. No, we're good.
Here, take this. It'll make you feel better.
Thanks, Dad.
You're welcome, buddy. What's that? Pizza or whatever that was. Let's go with this. I don't know what it was, I didn't look. Chicken? Oh. He's totally got time for us to go to sleep. Roasted chicken. That's healthy for a kid. Why would you not just chuck that in the bin?
You can come now, Sean. Your meal is ready.
I'm coming!
Orange juice or beer? Let's go orange juice, just for, you know, purposes. I'll eat that pizza when the boy's in bed. It's just creepy watching him eat. I'm gonna go explore upstairs until he's done. Go turn the light upstairs too. Oh, what was that? Oh, it's just the front door. Oh, your old house, dude. Let me guess. Oh, she kicked you out your house. Yeah. Nice, so a little teepee. Clothes aren't so bright anymore, are they, dude? That wallpaper is just, ugh, no. I'm not playing music now. I'll put my kid to bed. Let's go. Sean! Oh, not Sean. Is it Sean? Yeah, Jason's the one that died. Yeah. Can't keep up with my own kids' names. Oh wait, what's the time? Oh dear, yep, bedtime.
Come on, Sean. It's time for bed.
I'm not tired yet. Can I stay up a little longer?
No.
Now, that's not very reasonable, is it? You have school tomorrow. You have to get some sleep.
Alright, I'm going. Are you coming with me?
Go brush your teeth and put on your pajamas. I'll come up.
I'll turn off the TV. Again. Whose is that? Is that Sean's? Oh, I can take it with me now? Sean? No, he's not here. Oh. Hey, bud. Where did you go, dude?
Thanks, Dad.
Good night, Sean.
Right. Dad,
Yeah?
why do you look so sad?
I think I just need some time to get back to the way things were.
You know, Dad, what happened to Jason wasn't your fault.
Aww.
Good night, Sean.
Feels. A kid should not be drawing that. He should not be drawing that. Oh, I can tuck him in. Oh, I'm such a good parent. Look at me. Parenting's easy. Night, bud. Ah. Shit, I woke him up.